Pentester Lab, XSS and MySQL file. This exercise explains how you can use cross-site scripting vulnerability to get access to administrator cookies, then how you can use his/her session to gain access to the administration to find a SQL injection and gain code execution using it. The first thing we gotta do is we will run this payload on our page and see if it let us run it. It means we can inject a script tag in it. So let's go to the page and let's try inserting it by using a comment where, for example, let's say title hacking and author is hacker. Let's see if we submit the query. As you can see, it let us run the payload. So let's try now at our script hacking hacker, and our script will be the following one. With this script, using the attacker's IP, that means the machine I'm using to inject the payload on the port 4444, the cookie will get concatenated. To see that, we are going to run a simple Python simple HTTP server on the port 4444, and we'll wait for the login to log in so we can get his cookie, his credentials. Let's submit the payload. Now let's check here, and as you can see, we get the PHP says ID. Every minute there is a cron script that runs every minute, so every minute we'll get a different cookie. We can use this one, so Ctrl+Shift+C. Now we'll head here, add our cookie. I will delete this, add a new one, PHP says ID, add our payload and save it. Now I'm going to click on admin, and as you can see, I have the administrator privileges by stealing that cookie using the simple HTTP server with the payload that we injected. Now we'll go ahead for the second part of this Pentester lab. I'll go ahead and try this post test. Is it working? I'm gonna go ahead and try to inject or escape the query that is being done, and as you can see, we can do it, and it gave us the absolute path where everything is stored. So now let's try inject a SQL payload. So I'm gonna say this, and as you can see, I got the version of the MySQL database. Now I can also get the user information using this other function. As you can see, we are root at localhost. Now I will try with previous information that we got, the /var/www, that's the absolute path. We'll try to add a new file. So with the following payload, we'll add a new file called evil.php to the CSS directory, and you can't see it here, but it's now been added. we can try and head to the CSS folder, and as you can see, evil.php. Now I will add a new file, but instead this file will allow me to run web shell code. So let me run it, and now if we head back to that CSS directory, we should see the web shell.php, and if give this file some code to run, for example to access /etc/passwd, where is commonly stored the passwords in Linux, we'll get concatenated the information that we requested.